Well, that should be everything. You remember to get the pepper?
Sure, Pa. I wouldn't forget the pepper when I'm so far behind in my sneezing, would I?
I'm doggone if somebody didn't pull the stopper out of you today.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Minneapolis Police Department. Several armed individuals have been seen at several shopping centers across the Minneapolis and St. Paul metropolitan areas. They are armed with high-capacity weapons such as assault rifles and have been observed waving weapons towards the public. These individuals have been located at various shopping malls and numerous retail stores across town. Authorities have determined that these individuals are members of fundamentalist religious groups and militia armies who have stated they will cause harm up to and including death of civilians. Their intentions appear to be based on recent laws passed from divisions of the federal government. Civil authorities are aware of the situation and are attempting to disarm and arrest the armed individuals as safely and as quickly as possible. For safety concerns, civilians should suspend shopping activities until the situation is assessed. Remain calm and protect yourself from these individuals. Do not panic. Panicking will make the situation worse. Avoid traveling to these areas. If you are in an area where these events are occurring, remain vigilant and avoid direct contact. Do not confront these individuals, as they have stated they will cause harm to civilians. Those that attempt to participate in armed activity will be arrested. Stay tuned to local media or commercial radio for more updates on this developing situation.
Now, you tell that horse-faced, sharp-tongued woman of yours you got a present from the Proud Boys. Yeah, come on.